Hey guys, it's Deronda with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this spicy peanut noodles. So fast and easy to make, yet so delicious and satisfying. The ingredients you're going to need is a 16-ounce package of dried spaghetti, or you may use thin spaghetti or linguine. Even fresh pasta or Roman noodles will work. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use low sodium sauce or regular. 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seed oil. This is the brand I use. It's my favorite. 3 tablespoons of chili crisp. You can use more or less. 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, or you may omit it if you want, but I like the sweetness it gives it. 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter. 1/2 cup of honey roasted peanuts, and we're going to chop this down. I'll show you how to do it here in a second. I use 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, and I'm going to show you how to peel this and grate it here in a second. And 1/2 cup or a cup of chopped scallions. And some of you in the world will know these as green onions. Let's first start by cooking our pasta. Cook your pasta according to package directions. Use your timer. While the pasta cooks, we're going to add that rice vinegar, soy sauce, toasted sesame seed oil, and I'm using a very, very large bowl with our chili crisp. Use a spatula to make sure you get everything out of your bowl. Very important. The sugar. That sugar will start absorbing there in your liquids. The peanut butter with a whisk. Whisk these ingredients until that peanut butter is nice and smooth. It doesn't take long. And if you don't have a whisk, go ahead and use a fork. Now I'm still going to whisk it a little bit more, but I'm going to show you how we're going to grate our fresh ginger. Using the end of a spoon, you can remove the skin. Just like this. Before you start grating, using a microplane, we're just going to grate about a teaspoon down into our sauce. And I'm just going to eyeball this. If you don't have a grater, you can go ahead and mince for your spicy peanut noodle sauce. And that looks great. Make sure you get it all off the bottom of your grater there. Give it a lovely little whisking. Get it well incorporated. You definitely want to use fresh ginger. It's going to make all the difference in flavor. I hear the timer going off on our pasta, so over here to the stovetop. Let's check our pasta. That looks absolutely perfect. I'm just pulling up the colander out of the hot water, and it'll just drain completely. As you can see, give it a little shake over here. Add all your pasta to your peanut sauce. It can get really steamy, and while your noodles are still warm, you want it to absorb all your peanut sauce. Now that your noodles have absorbed all your sauce there in the bottom, it's time to add to a serving dish. You can add it in all at once. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good, and it smells so delicious. To garnish the top, I'm gonna give my honey roasted peanuts a nice little chopping. I'm gonna do a coarse chop on it using a chef's knife. You may want to go vertically, horizontally a couple of times until you could get a lovely crunch here in with your spicy peanut noodles. I just like adding it right here on the top. This will give a crunch to it, a little sweetness. With those green onions, I'm just going to cut off the tips. Discard that. Cut them in half. And then make thin slices of your scallions. And again, I just serve it right on the top. Like that. This is going to be fabulous. Great as leftovers too. See what we've got. Get down in our noodles. It smells so delicious. So yummy. I want some scallions and nuts on the top there. I know. Use chopsticks if you want. You be my guest. Here we go. The flavors just magically come together. The soy sauce, that toasted sesame seed oil, those scallions, the honey roasted peanuts. And it's really not that spicy. If you want to add heat to it, add more chili crisp. It's fantastic. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. And it makes a lot. You can at least serve 8 people with this. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Enjoy your spicy peanut noodles with your favorite noodles. Thanks a million for watching. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.